Hello everyone! So this is the second part of our Puerto Galera adventure. We are now riding a tricycle going to Medellins Resort in the White Beach area sa Puerto Galera. And 150 pesos po itong tricycle ride namin at tatlo kami. So tag 50 pesos lang. Okay, later we will gonna show you the room that we book at the Medellins Beach Resort. Here we go. This is a beachfront accommodation, and we book for 2 nights, 3 days, and then the room is actually good for 4, and then we're only 3 guests. So the price per night for one room that's good for 4 person is 2,900 pesos. And then because we booked for 2 nights, so we paid 5,800 pesos, and then free breakfast and then free Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's it. Okay, here we go. We will go to our room. So this is the front desk of Medellins Beach Resort. So this is the room we book. This is good for 4 persons and very spacious and cozy. 2 beds, actually good for 1 bed can be occupied by 2 persons. And then you can use either fan or air condition. It depends on you. And then the washroom actually is also spacious. We like this very simple room because of its proximity to the beach area. It's just around 30 seconds walk from our room. So this is a very ideal for people who want a beachfront accommodation here in the White Beach, and at the same time very affordable. Remember that this accommodation has a free breakfast, so malaking tipiran na rin yan, guys. Okay, later pupunta na kami sa beachfront dahil kakarating lang namin. Kailangan namin mag-rest ng konti and then magbihis, and then here we go. Ito na po tayo, guys, sa front, sa beachfront, and tingnan nyo naman, napaka-relaxing ng view. It's actually 4 p.m. and siya nga pala, guys, wala kaming music na gagamitin dito para mapakinggan ninyo yung natural sound ng environment, the breeze rolling from the oceans, and then yung mga paghampas ng alon, and then yung mga natural sounds ng environment. And here we go. Punta kami doon sa pinakadulo kasi tahimik doon, walang tao.
Maglakadaya dito o dito sa baba?
Wala masyadong tao doon. Okay.
Sa buhangin?
And itong area nga pala na to, guys, ito yung maraming bars and restaurants sa area na to. And pagkagabi, napaka ano na tawag doon? High energy at saka masaya ang area na to kasi ito yung party area dito sa Puerto Galera. At saka, pero hindi na kami nakiparty-party nung first night namin kasi gusto namin magpahinga for tomorrow's activity. But meanwhile, let's go to the farthest point ng beach, maglakad-lakad para ma-relax. Please be with us and watch the whole video till the end kasi magagandang pang view yung makikita ninyo doon sa dulo na area. Oo.
Yung picture.
Sige, picture tayo. Saan? Aray ko.
Dito.
Dito. Sa gitna ko,aya para makita. Oo. Ano? Ang liit nga compare sa akin.
Lalo mo pag meron.
Oo, no? Diyos ko. Saan? Oo. Akala ko nga uulan. Kasi kanina parang uulan siya.
Pero yung beach dito, ito lang dito, is yung naglabang park.
Meron pa. Kaya ngayon sa island hopping, may meron tayong yung isang destination. Oo. Yung mga isla dito. Ikaw, Aya, di ba nakapuntahan mo na yung El Nido? El Nido.
Sa ano ka muna na Puerto?
Ay, hindi yun El Nido?
Pag, Coron tapos parang 6 hours pa ata from Puerto.
Oh, malayo. So,
Ano
na
mga mga nakikita ko sa Facebook. Ano? Hindi ko alam kung sa kinakain. Ayun.
yung sumasama yung chan? Saan nga ba sa? El Nido?
Coron
Saka sa... Talaga? Ako dati, gusto kong kumain ng magana ko kumain.
Loaded ka.
Kung makapuno po, pag-uwi niyo po, may mga danggit po.
Ako isang beach na pipuntahan ko doon yung Arma.
Ano lang yun sa ano?
Napuntahan mo na yun?
Ganda. Ganda talaga. Mas maayos naman yung sabi nga.
Bukas na lang.
Bukas na lang.
Okay, that's it for our day 1 in Puerto Galera. Nag-swimming nga pala kami around 5 in the afternoon at hinintay namin ang sunset kaya lang hindi visible because of cloudy sky. So tomorrow, our activity is island hopping. Island hopping lang. Wala kaming snorkeling, walang ibang water sports activity. So mag-island hopping lang kami. Siguro mga 3 destinations lang. So abangan ninyo on our next video para maipakita namin yung island hopping at kung ano-anong destinations ang napuntahan namin. And our island hopping, good for 3, worth 2,500 pesos at 3 destinations daw yon. So, thank you so much guys for watching our video for our day 1. Please watch our next video. Thank you so much.